Wait, Pi Network took 7 years and still no smart contracts?
What's wrong, Henry?
Pi has been building the network step by step before launching smart contracts.
So the early versions were focused on stabilizing the network?
Version 22 focused on security, rules, and project verification.
Henry, and version 23 finally activates smart contracts?
Luna, yes. That opens the door for decentralized apps, DeFi, and exchanges.
So delaying smart contracts was about protecting the network?
Luna, Pi is following a slow but strong strategy to build a real ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Share this video and subscribe to Talks Coin Network for more crypto insights.